C-Rex, holy guacamole! I never thought this time would come! Good day, vlog family! It's Gabby and we're here for another video. Subi's right here. Today we are here at the garage and I'm very excited to be here. We'll be working on the C-Rex today. Well, I guess they just mean me. But I'm excited because I haven't worked on the C-Rex or even been here in like a month. Since like before I went to California, like the beginning of March, and like we got it running and then it was all doing its thing or whatever. But I'm excited because I came here like last weekend and I started tinkering with it and I read my manual, and then I just realized, so yes, the timing was off, but it was because of the vacuum lines. So once I hooked up the two vacuum lines with the T, I'll show you guys in a second. The C-Rex was running like a dream. I'll show you guys in a second, but I just didn't think that for the vacuum advanced, I was needed to just get it to run right at idles. And once I like took a step back and was reading my manual, then it made sense. But that's all right, it's part of the process and we learn as we go. So all right, let's go look at the C-Rex. We got a little puppy today. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Hi. Hi, Nolly, say hi. Sit. Good, punch it. Oh yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah, you are. Awesome. This is how she sits right now. We took off the bumper after, well, I was replacing the radiator and everything. And that stuff works. Yeah, she's so cute. Hoping to have her be driven today. Yep. Hold on. All right. So, what we did is that this is the vacuum advanced diaphragm. Nothing was hooked up here and I just ended up plugging all of the vacuum lines, trying to get it to time before I did the vacuum lines. But apparently you need the vacuum lines to get it to time right. So then we messed around with the vacuum lines. Both of these need, what the heck? This is not staying on here right. I may need a thing for that or a different vacuum line. But yes, so intake manifold. But yeah, it was just a vacuum problem, which is now fixed. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this look here in just a second. But yeah, so she's timed well, runs well. We're gonna try and get it driven today. All right, first try. There we are. Did it sound good though?
Yeah, it had those little random pops.
Well, it was backfiring. So yeah, the C-Rex runs much better. It definitely runs a bit rich and it's backfiring from the exhaust, but that is something that we can adjust with the carbs. I'm just happy to know that it's not on its last legs like dying anymore. But yeah, now the only things I'm gonna do today, the plans are to adjust the carburetors, install my exhaust gasket, and tighten up the gas tank as well. Then she should be good to go. Not gonna lie, this is one of the weirdest gaskets I think I've ever seen. It's like a mirror or something. I don't know. It's like a donut. So the exhaust gasket didn't freaking fit because it's meant for a stock exhaust manifold, but I have the upgraded DC, so apparently it's just like a little bit bigger in diameter, so it doesn't freaking fit, so I'll have to order another one, which is fine, whatever, it's fine. But our gas tank is in, and now I'm just trying to find some bolts to tighten it up, and then we can get her on the road, or at least around the corner. I just want to drive her like around the corner. Where are they? Where are they?
Where are they?
our Starbucks, we got our nose panel on, we got our bumper on, we got our wheels on. Let's see if we can try to get her out there now. What? First time the CRX looks somewhat complete. Awesome. Why is not focusing? There we are. Focus on me. So I got the little CRX down off the jack stands. And I have all this like crap here in my way till we're outside of the door. So instead of putting all that effort and work into moving these cars, I'm gonna see if I can get it in drive and just move it like this much.
Flight mode.
Flight? There are no wings on this. If only.
Fat coffee.
Okay, we're done.
Hold on, we're not. All right.
Hold on, good. I need you to help me with the choke.
Yeah. Pop the hood.
Oh, wait.
Go ahead. Open it. Yep, it's open. Clutch is no bueno?
Huh?
Is the clutch no bueno?
Well, I have the new clutch in it,
Yeah.
but I might just have to tighten the clutch cable.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the clutch cable is a little too tight now. I'm gonna loosen it real quick. This is why I love old cars. They're just so freaking simple. It's all right, cool, I'm gonna unscrew a thing and then it like does the thing that's very easy and simple. Not like the Subaru, it's like really complicated. Yeah, you just loosen the screw to make it loose or tight or whatever. Let's do like that. How's that? Okay. That might work. Might have to tight. You don't really know.
No slamming the hood. No slamming the hood.
It's very sensitive.
Come here, Nolly, before you get run over. Come on. Come on. It moves. It moves. It lives. It eats. It poops.
Piece of shit, bro. Oh my god. Oh. This thing is literally the worst to drive. I'm just saying, okay? This, on the other hand, is really cool. I could see myself getting one.
Come on, Nolly. Get away from the piece of shit to drive.
Come on, baby girl. Let's go drive the CRX. Let's go drive the CRX. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this long.
We gotta
I've been waiting for this moment for so long to do this.
Come here.
I think she wants to go home. She's hungry. Nolly, you hungry? Yeah, you hungry? Come on. Come here. Nolly, come. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Wow. Yeah. You want to play? You want to play? Not yet. When we get home, we'll play, okay? We'll play. Sit. Punch it. She gets real excited about it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get.
Come on.
She doesn't like the cars. I don't think she likes.
Yeah, I don't think she likes the loud cars.
And the smell of the.
She knows it's loud in here.
She's like, it's loud in here. Hey guys, you with me now? Oh my god, we're actually driving the CRX. Holy guacamole! I never thought this time would come. It's so loud. I'm so sorry. Oh.
Better. Why do you get seatbelts?
I got a harness, guys.
Why do I have to sit in this sketchy seat sit on the floor made out of like aluminum? Oh wait.
You have a harness too, actually.
All right, let me get harnessed up.
Put on the harness. I'm a crazy driver.
Test driven.
You never know what's gonna happen. This is a race car. I can't believe this moment is actually happening.
Hey.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, there's a lot of junk back there. Those are like all the spare and extra parts that I had come with this car because I didn't want to lose it in my garage.
I'm wet.
So I kept them inside the car.
I'm wet.
What?
I'm wet.
Why are you wet?
I don't know.
On your butt?
Freaking me out.
On your butt?
Does this thing have a roll cage?
No.
How are the seat buckles used? You can't use these without a roll cage.
But no, these are also like from like the 90s.
Is this a strap? Una memento.
I remember.
Why are you already like test fitted in?
This is my first time like trying to get in this car actually.
You should get a BMW.
We're in the process of looking for a BMW. Are you ready yet?
I'm getting there.
Ah, finally, he's ready. I'm happy to have you guys here to share this moment with, and this retard right here. It's way more fun to have more people to share these moments with, and I'm so happy right now.
I hate when I get all harnessed in and I forget to close the door, and I'm like,
Come on, get it.
I got long arms though, like an
Yeah, you do. I do too. Here. Are you ready?
Yeah. Do the brakes work?
Yeah, the brakes work. Just gonna... I don't have a mirror. I don't have a mirror right here. I'm scared to go around the corner. Should I just YOLO it?
No, you should check the axle first. You look at it?
Yeah, I looked at it. It looks fine.
Okay.
Yeah, see it? Do you feel that? Look. That's not good. I'm not doing that.
Huh.
That's not good.
Not ready to be driven yet.
Nope.
Back inside you go.
Yep. I forgot what it's like to have fucking no power steering. Alright, I guess that's good.
Time to troubleshoot.
I'm so like,
Well, at least you got to drive it.
I know. I know.
It's just not very efficient around the corners because you know the axles aren't in all the way.
Guess so.
Or whatever the hell's going on.
See, I can't believe I
Luckily,
threw it.
steering components and like suspension is real easy. There's like 4 bolts that hold on.
I know.
It's like when your engine doesn't run, I don't know, it could be 30 things.
Oh my god, don't mind.
But if your wheel falls off, it's like 4 bolts that could be like loose. Oh, dude, you're like, it's like either got a lot of camber or it's about to fall the fuck out. What you know about that stance life, bro?
Uh-oh.
Is the front, is that other side like that too?
Let me see.
Yeah, you're all cambered. You're cambered as
That's why it felt, I knew it. I knew something
stance
was wrong.
life.
Dude, I can't believe I got it running and like driving, by the way. I can't believe I drove it today. Like,
I can't believe you built the first stanced out CRX first gen in the world.
without even stancing. I'm a little embarrassed that that happened, by the way. So I'm probably just going to jack up the CRX and put it on jack stands for tonight. It's pretty late and I don't want it to sit there with its wheel like wah, wah, and like have unnecessary stress on it. But yep, we've made a lot of progress on the CRX today. I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you have a wonderful day. I love you, thank you so much. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and you have a wonderful evening, okay? Bye.
Hey, Gabby, how'd you get your stance life, bro?
I just keep my lug nuts really loose.
Damn, that's some budget build right there.
I'm really embarrassed about this, but mistakes happen.
Believe